Hi friends, this is Lady Flora, and in this video I want to show you the really cool rag dolls that we made based on the tutorial by Hannah from Pepper and Pine. If you're new to this channel, I am a working homeschooling mom of 3, Songbird who is 7 years old, Man Cub who is 4 years old, and Baby Professor who is 1 year old. We are eclectic, classical, Charlotte Mason inspired unschoolers who love arithmetic, literature, storytelling, and all forms of self-expression. So if that sounds like your sort of thing, you should subscribe or hit the bell if you want to be notified of future videos. So I am always inspired by Hannah over at Pepper and Pine, and a couple of years ago she made a few videos about how to make rag dolls. So we followed Hannah's instructions somewhat loosely. We started off with a piece of muslin that was about 24 inches long, and we folded it in half over a cotton ball. Then we took about 3 strips of muslin and braided them together to make the arms, which we tied around the neck. And then my daughter really wanted to make a face, so she got out a pen and drew a face on. And I recommend you use a pencil if you're not so sure about how you want the face to look. But she was really pleased with how it turned out, and I was too. Then we got a piece of calico, we folded it in half and made a little hole for the neck, and we kind of stuffed the cotton ball head through the hole. And then we got another strip of fabric which we used to tie around the waist. Then we cut out a matching piece of calico in the shape of a triangle to wrap around her head, and then she was mostly done. Her fingers were a little bit long and the bottom of her dress was a little bit long, but once we were finished we were really pleased with how it turned out. We used half of a cotton ball and some different fabric to make a baby, which is really just like a little bundle of fabric tied together loosely, and we just had a lot of fun making this project. They were so cute and we were so happy with how they turned out that we decided to make a couple of boy dolls as well. And you can see the whole family if you go find us over at Instagram. Feel free to follow us over there for little glimpses into what our daily homeschool work looks like. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to Pepper and Pine's videos. You should go check them out because they are definitely better than this video. What do you think of these rag dolls? Would you make these adorable no-sew rag dolls in your homeschool? Let me know in the comments below. And until we meet again, enjoy your children, rest in God's grace, and have a sublime day.